New version. 4 years abroad, but relaunching his brand back home.
We ready figure rough up the world, rough up the world, rough up the world, rough up the world.
Vershon launched by Shaggy keyboardist Christopher Birch.
I came on the scene with rough up the world, rough up the world. Him a go rough up the world, rough up the world. But the breakout song was the amount of struggles on my face when I give thanks in a real life, and that produced by Cashflow. So big up Cashflow every time. Used to say me not rich nowhere.
Vershon, an engaging package.
Positive. Smooth. I think image have a lot to do with the artist, and I don't think the people really accept the hardcore side of Vershon, because remember, I'm a smooth youth.
Don't make nothing stress you out or get you out.
When I tell people some come from the ghetto, them really believe, because I look more uptown.
Like that, without shame for the fame.
He listened early to
Definitely Supercat, Colonel Josie Whale, Daddy Uri, because I live right up the street from Daddy Uri, and you know, Vice Cartel, Bounty Killer. But you know, when you're from the ghetto, and as a youth I grew up, if you don't really have a mentor, you were more to the gangster side. So at that time, I sing a whole heap of gun songs until when I meet Birchill Music. He must say, yo, you are for the ladies, and you have to represent for the youths who come from the street like you.
Just go and sip and lay.
But then came the call of the street.
I don't look soft already. So I can't just sit down and say, all right then, I'm going to step this out. It's like me I kill my own self. You have to defend yourself and make them know that even though you look soft, you're not soft.
Oh, you feel war with the prefer when to wild man not take beat up.
There were even other DJs that you were throwing words at.
As much as we try to avoid it, music is a competition, and there's no artist in Jamaica where go sit down and have a next artist at this him or throw shades at him and him not defend that. We know how Jamaica street run.
Sometimes into a dead end. Shortly before COVID, Vershon moving to the US, remaining for 4 years, living in Florida.
So we young and I try, no.
And to be real honest, it's not because of music why I went to the United States. You get me? I say it's because of business. I'm a businessman, you know. Music is not the only source of survival, and you have to accept that. You get me? I say what when it reach a point where music not working anymore? I have to have something where you have to, you know, rely on.
Did you make profitable links up there in the music business?
I wouldn't say
Is it a hard music scene to break into?
There, I would say it depends. It depends on the person, the artist, the kind of drive where you have and who you want to link with.
So what was the deciding reason to come back to Jamaica 4 years after you went to the States?
Jamaica is home.
Give me your sexy wine and take your time.
And we don't run away from home.
But if you were making millions up there, you wouldn't have come home.
I always make millions.
Vershon back home since last August. Are people going to remember Vershon?
Of course, because remember, Vershon is known for good music, positive music, and I know a lot of people out there in Jamaica right now, positive. You understand? And them are going to appreciate the good music what I do, regardless of some of the things where some other artists do.
Like what? Like what, to the extent that you aren't doing that?
That is for me.
All right.
I found a girl.
See, I try to put me on a spot, you know. Did not go skip that question.
Bye-bye.
Are you differentiating yourself from other people in the business? This is what I do. You do what you want to do. This is what I do.
I am different from other people in the business. I'm not sing about scamming. I'm not chop a line. I'm not sing something I work no obia. Because in my era and where I'm from, I don't feel we think that.
If there wasn't a market for it, why do we have it?
But what kind of market? What kind of market? Is it just Jamaica you sing songs for? Or you sing songs for the world? You as an artist have to ask yourself that, you know, because I can tell you this. In my time, when I say my time, I don't want to sound too old, but in my time, when me and Birchill I do this music, right? Every weekend we're on some show somewhere in the world. Now, to be real honest, in this time now, and as I say, I don't disrespect no artist, I respect every artist, but in this time, to all them kind of artists, hype and bossy and all kind of things, you see, if them did that travel and I do show all over the world, you would have known. Because them would have posted it on them social media. Some local places where I see them, I go, okay, it's like right there. We're full of Jamaicans. So that means that them not sing the right kind of music then. So I guess the artists have a lot of work to do. You understand? As I said, they are bash no artists and a beat no artists. But that you want to sing about, fine. You have to know what you want out of your career. Me can't tell you.
Do you think you have a lot of work to do to get Jamaicans back on the Vershon bandwagon?
And that is true, definitely, because the people are so caught up into hearing negative stuff. It's like me now, as a youth, where I do good music, I have to go work 10 times harder. So you're correct.
In a way, you're making a fresh start. Have you given Birch a call and said, listen, I am sort of rebranding, relaunching, can we work together again?
Birch, I'm done. Birch have one tune will come out for me, maybe like within the next week or two. So there you have it. I am back. I'm not just back, I am back. Like with all of the people whom we used to work with before, the cash flow, the Birch, the foundation.
So they said, we knew you'd be coming back at some point. It was just a matter of time.
Just a matter of time. They can't get me out.
You think you're a little bit older and a little bit wiser?
Definitely. Definitely. Things that used to get me out can't get me out again. Sometimes it's hard to deal with people, you know. Hard to deal with people. Worse when them try to build up this concept of you where them don't know. You understand and you know it's not true. So sometimes that really gets to you. But I mean, I grow older, I grow stronger. So I don't really pay people no mind nowadays. I mind my own business. Because look, me all right.
That's Vershon, home again, and as he says, all right.
Bye-bye, visa in a book. We young and a fly. Them no want to see we young and a try. Them no want to see we young and a try.